Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Swati Verma Styles. And if you have been following me for a while, you would know that I create content on Canada vlogs, some PR information on Canada, on how you can actually get the Canadian PR and what is the life of Canadian immigrants like. And of late, I have been not very active on YouTube. That's precisely because I, my followers must be knowing that I am in India currently, and because of this entire thing about the pandemic and the new variants coming in, the flights are still banned. The direct flights are still banned. So, me, like any other, all thousands of immigrants, Canadian PRs, Canadian citizens who have been traveling to India, are stuck and kind of finding ways to go back. So I just thought share this quick update with you. So recently, if you go through the Air Canada website, you would see that they have further extended the travel ban till the 16th of August, and not a very good news, guys, because this has happened in the past also. That firstly, the Air Canada, I think majorly Air Canada is the first airline always to extend the travel ban, and then other flights follow suit. But it is very, very unpredictable because the cases have drastically been down. I would say the what the disaster the last wave caused. So this is very, the situation is very, very better right now. So we all were expecting the ban to be lifted and to fly back to Canada, but no, Air Canada has something else in store. So why I wanted to share this with you is, number one, firstly, because I wanted that interaction with you, all of you, going on, because I firstly thought that I will go back and then shoot all that Canada content for you, because that is what you all have been liking much. But no, I thought I need to start and get that connect with you going on, because that gives me a lot of motivation. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm very active on Instagram these days. In fact, that is what is keeping me busy off late. So just follow me on Instagram. That's my ID here. And okay, coming back to the topic, the ban was earlier till 31st July, and me, like all thousands of Canadian citizens and Canadian PRs, have been expecting that now the travel ban will be lifted and we can fly back soon. But no. Nothing is very clear right now, because Air Canada is just a carrier. So it is not the government ruling that has come out, that so the Canadian government has not imposed the travel ban right now. So, but it is scary, because normally what has been happening is, firstly, Air Canada extends its ban, and then the IRCC, the Canada officials, say that okay, we are extending the ban. So it is unexpected. It is not a very good news for all of us who are stranded here, for a lot of students, and it's only the direct flights that have been banned. Also, this news is all over their website, their Twitter handle, where they are responding to people. And another news is that what their website clearly states. I'll put the screen shot here. So they say that the direct flights, like which are the non-stop flights, which is one flight per day, will be resuming from 29 July for Delhi to Toronto, and whereas for Delhi to Vancouver, it will resume from August 16th for Delhi to Vancouver. So that's about it, and not a very promising news, and not a very, very good news, because a lot of people had been waiting for it, students, citizens, PRs, and so let's see. But this is, Air Canada is just an official carrier. It is not any government authority. So the news has not been from IRCC or the health advisories of Canada. So we need to wait for that to understand if this is the only carrier that has stopped its flights stopped its direct flights from India. Uh, I don't know what happens, but normally in the past, what has happened is firstly Air Canada does it and then everybody else follows suit. So let's be positive, let's be hopeful, and let's just wait and see what happens next. So the indirect flights are still there. I personally don't prefer to go through such indirect routes, and I was actually waiting, and I was expecting the ban to be lifted by August, but all hopes shut. So let's see what happens, and stay tuned with me in this journey, and I will keep on sharing any updates that I get for international students or for the travel to Canada or anything else that I always have shared with you, and you've always showered me with a lot of love. And just keep following me, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with people who might benefit from it. So till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.